Here's what Parler's CEO told our Emily Chang last month about the company. Take a listen.
So there is a lot of people on the left on the platform. Obviously, they're outnumbered greatly by conservatives right now, which is fine. You know, we are unbiased in that we're not defined by who's on our platform, but by our neutrality in handling the situations. That's what we're trying to bring us back to is a people's place online, not a place for these kind of big tech oligarchs.
However, since Wednesday, we've seen, of course, Google and Apple remove Parler from their app stores, and we've also seen Amazon take Parler off its servers, and now Parler is suing Amazon as a result. How did Parler get to this point, Kurt?
Well, Parler is learning very quickly that simply having no rules doesn't really work right now with the internet, right? And so what you're seeing from Apple and Google and Amazon is that they're basically saying, hey, if you're going to give people a platform to do things that could be illegal, that could be dangerous, that could be violent, we don't want to be supporting that, right? That's against our terms of service. And so we're not going to allow your app to be there. And so you can kind of now understand where Twitter and Facebook are coming from too, right? Not only do they want to eliminate a lot of that stuff because they're trying to create a certain type of community, but they're also dependent on the Apples and the Googles of the world to get their apps out there, right? So if they were allowing violent or dangerous content on their services, they would be at risk in the same way Parler is. And so I just think that this is really coming full circle to this idea that these tech companies are trying to write their own rules for what's allowed and what isn't. And they all obviously are coming to different conclusions.
Yeah.
And that's why you see someone like Facebook CEO Mark Zuckerberg say, hey, we want some more universal regulation here.
The biggest stories the moment they happen from around the globe. Subscribe to Bloomberg Quicktake now for insight in an instant.